Good morning, everyone. My name is Doug. Today is June the 17th. I want to thank you for being here as part of this community. And in this video, I'm going to talk through what a multi-step process that I'm doing for creating content that I hope turns into a bigger revenue stream for me. So it starts off with the idea that I want to write content about something, a product or service that is going to pay me reoccurring revenue if I make a sale. And the different schools in the school platform are ideal. Some of them will pay you 40% for anybody that you refer to a school community or to the AI Profit Boardroom is one that I am looking to start sending people to. I've sent a few people to AI early adopters, early AI adopters, but it shows their name there, so I won't click on that. And what I want to do is to do more of that. So I started out researching everything about the different AI automation communities on school for my own development so that I would get better at. What I ended up doing over time is I brought everything over into Google Notebook LM. And I brought that entire document into Google Notebook LM. You can see here that I did some comparisons. And what I ended up doing was to ask the LM to discuss what the sources say about early AI adopters in the large context of the featured communities. And it gave me a great report. And the way I got this report in the first place was to make this as the only available data. And then, did I click the right one? Yeah, then I click on the mind map and it gives me all of the different communities. So I can simply click on any one of these communities and it will generate a report on that. So that's what I did. I clicked on these communities and it generated these reports for me. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking this report and I'm combining it with the pain that I researched earlier. What are the pain points that all of these schools are looking to solve for their users? And there were 18 pain points here that that I want to use. I already did one earlier where I combined AI early adopters along with the first pain point information into my custom GPT, and I told it to rewrite these two articles into our styled structure article format, matching the style and tone provided in our project files. So all I need to do for this is to grab the information that's provided here about the community and then mix it with one of the pain points. And this one I'm going to do the second pain point here. So I'm going to take this very same prompt and I'm going to go back to this derification, and I'm going to put in the pain point. Then I'm going to grab the individual community that I'm writing about, and I want to do this, I could do this for all of them, and I'll take that into the GPT and I'll paste that in, and it will rewrite everything now into a really nice format. There is a really fantastic article now that I can go and submit over to Learn AI to Profit, just as I did with this earlier article, where I have this publication that has 10,500 followers. And with my article here published, I can embed my YouTube video that I'm going to create next. And this YouTube, a AI generated script that we're just about to create now. So the next step is to take this entire article as it is, the nice rewrite that we have, and I'm going to have that transformed into a nice viral video style script. And so I will go into the classroom, resources, video script monster processor, and I will click on this and I'll run things through this. So I'm going to ask to transform this into a 90-second viral video script that is clickbaity. So now I have a video script, and the next step is to take this video script and to bring it over into Heygen. You can see here that I have my animations already set up and prepared. So I took some of my own images, then I had this generate new looks, then I animated those that I liked. There's still a bunch more for me to do. Is I'm going to go to some of my finished projects. I'll go into the template area, and I'm going to take this as a base, as a 90-second template. And I don't want to edit template. I want to create a new AI studio. And now the next step is for me to copy and paste this text over into, back to Heygen, paste it in. I find that shorter clips are better, depending on the animation that it's tied to here. All right, so this now is called AI Profit Boardroom 1A, and I'll generate it and then I'll let it run, and we'll see how it turns out. After it's generated, then I'll hear through it, I'll watch it, and sometimes I have to regenerate it again. Change the wording a little bit so that the animation doesn't loop and go backwards in some of them. Some of those animated avatars only have a few seconds, and then they loop and go backwards. Some of them you can't tell, but some of them it's obvious because there's characters walking forward and then they start walking backwards in there. So now we've got the video going, we've got the blog post prepared that we can start to publish onto Medium. So I can write, and I can go back to my original article here. I'll just copy and paste things in as a base to have it in place, and I know that I'll be doing a bunch more edit afterwards. But first, I just want to get the placeholders in there. Another thing that I want to do while I'm here, I want to ask it a few more questions. So, can you create a 200-word clickbait and I need to have keyword phrases, 2, 3, and 4 word keyword phrases that I'll use for the video. And I also want to have some additional titles, titles and subtitles that I can use to choose from in different places. So now I'll have everything that I need for getting this video ready to upload and format and give it its keywords and put a little introduction and then add in my referral links in there. So now that the story is complete, I want to add in this and add in my referral links. So I'm going to get all this cleaned up and take the time to go through all that. And then I want to have my custom referral link, which I use these branded referral links using short.io. So I can go to AI Profit Boardroom, copy that link, and all the way through the publication, that's what I'll use. Because that's my branded link that goes through my referral link from affiliates, AI Profit Boardroom. I grab this referral link and then I put it into the branded link detail here so that my link is branded when you see it here. It is. So you can see the link there, and then when I hit enter, it'll turn it into a nice, attractive, well, as attractive as they make it, square. So then it really helps drive traffic in a way that I can measure and get paid for. There's the other one that I want to be sure is linked. And I'll also include that in the video link as well after that's processed. And I don't know if this will show, but after I am done with the video processing in Heygen, then I bring that video into Camtasia, where I'm going through to put in the animations, a little bit of branding, and some underlay tinting there to make it the text a little more visual. And I know that there is a caption option inside of Heygen, but I didn't like it as much, so I thought I would take that extra step and do that myself. So those are the steps that I'm going through to create this content. And I go through it a lot faster, but I wanted to go through and explain it all because as I go through now, I want to come back and review this explanation, shorten it up, and turn it into a promotional video. And especially after time goes by, I want to show the stats of what happens with these videos when I put them online. So that's where I am right now inside AI Business Plans, is that I am using these tools to create the content and put it out there and then bring it back so that we can have a report on, does this work? And is this something you want to work on? So I'm really focusing on that video first format and really watching what's happening on YouTube to see where the views are and where the subscribers are and which ones drive people through to where they are signing up to something that turns into a revenue stream for me. And here's a little special add-on. If you sign up for either one of early AI adopters, or if you also sign up for the AI Profit Boardroom through my referral link, you will also get access to a year's worth of AI business plans where we cover AI automations, but we're doing it in such a way that we're creating a 30-day plan for your passive income. So if this is something that you're interested in, you can grab 2 communities for the price of 1. And now I see one of these videos are processed over on Heygen, so let's take a look at that and see how that turned out. If you'd like to learn more about doing these videos and setting them up for a revenue stream for yourself, be sure to join us in the link down below. What if I told you that the smartest entrepreneurs are the ones falling behind with AI? Yep, not the lazy ones, the smart, ambitious ones. And it's not because they don't get AI, it's because they're drowning in it. You've been there, watching tutorial after tutorial, collecting freebies, even buying the courses. But you're still stuck. No clear path, no execution, just overwhelm. That's exactly what the AI Profit Boardroom fixes. It's not just hype about new tools. It's a results-driven automation system built to take you from learning to actually earning with AI. Inside, you're getting the 300K per month playbook from Julian Goldie himself. Yes, real systems, real client wins, real mentorship, no fluff, no guesswork. You'll find step-by-step execution that can help your business cut 40 hours of busy work a week. You'll see how entrepreneurs are landing clients, scaling agencies, and automating their entire workflow using plug-and-play tools without being tech wizards or spending 10 hours a day on it. Ready to stop binge watching and start winning with AI? Click the link, join the boardroom, and watch your results do the talking. You've tried info, now it's time for execution. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you have any questions, of course, I'd love to hear them. I would love to hear exactly what you're doing in your project, and we'll see how we can help each other and get all this stuff working so it's turning into revenue for all of us. Stay safe, everyone. Here's to your success.